I don't know. I don't know if it's okay to be a little bit funny or maybe be something else. Anyway, see this t-shirt says Cancun. The last time I went to Cuba, one morning they give us a dunk. You know, there are not too many cars there, so I started riding mine. Hey, the dunk was doing pretty good, but all of a sudden I got stuck in the mud, and I hear. I look around. I thought there was a motorcycle someplace. Again, the more the dog tried to get in the mud, the more. Oh, it just sounds like Royd's motorcycle. Oh. That's nothing yet. Again, the more he tried to get out, now the shit start flying. The shit start flying in the air, just like a fire hose.
That's just downright stupid. It's stupid. It's not professional. It's not smart football. Your offense is